Let's start our new chapter, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. In that, first topic is meaning of physical fitness. Different people have different points of view regarding physical fitness. For a common man, to have a good physique is a symbol of physical fitness. In the case of doctor, the proper functioning of physiological systems is physical fitness. Anyway, physical fitness is a simple term with a wide meaning. Physical fitness of a common person means the capacity to do the routine work without any fatigue. That means ability of an individual to do the work continuously, routine work without any fatigue. Here we have plenty of definitions of physical fitness. According to Don Hoskins, the human body's ability to move with the desired speed, balance, agility and strength gained through proper exercise and nutrition. According to Krols, he says, successful adaptation to the stress of one's lifestyle. According to David R. Lamb, physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present and potential physical challenges of life with success. Physical fitness is the ability to function effectively and efficiently, to enjoy leisure, to be healthy, to resist disease, and to cope with the emergency situations. This is all about physical fitness. Next, our second term is meaning of wellness. The scientific meaning of wellness is state of being healthy and free of diseases. The scientific meaning of wellness is the state of being healthy and free of diseases. Some of the definitions are: wellness is defined as the optimal functioning of body and creative adapting to environment that involves the whole person. Another definition of wellness or well-being is the fact or condition of being physically and mentally healthy. Some of the other definitions are: the quality or state of being healthy is called wellness. Wellness is considered the optimal state of health. You can be selected any one of the definitions of wellness. Wellness is the capability of an individual by which he or she leads a well-balanced life. Wellness is made up of multiple dimensions such as physical wellness, mental wellness, emotional wellness, spiritual wellness, social wellness, occupational wellness and environmental wellness. Next, our important topic is importance of physical fitness and wellness. There are some importance of physical fitness and wellness. Improves efficiency of body organs and reduces the risk of heart, lungs and liver ailments. Increases life expectancy and eases the functions of daily routine such as walking, lifting, carrying, etc. Keeps away fatigue and reduces recovery time after exhaustion. Boosts the immune system so that recovery after illness and injuries is quicker. Raises the ability to cope up with stress and anxiety. Then delays aging to a certain extent. Raises a person's self-esteem and helps them maintain an attractive and personable appearance. Overall improvement of the quality of life. These are about importance of physical fitness and wellness. Here some of the tips given to physical fitness and wellness are: exert your body as often as possible. That means use this, for example, use the stairs instead of escalators and elevators. Then walk or cycle if the distance allows it instead of driving a vehicle or taking public transport. Other tips are exercise for a minimum of 30 minutes a day to improve muscular strength, flexibility, and also to fully utilize energy derived from food. Next, eat a balanced diet which includes a variety of nutrients and contains the right amount of carbohydrates. That means we should take balanced diet. Next, spend time in clean and calming environments like parks and gardens. And last tip is socialize with people and develop hobbies to reduce stress and revitalize yourself. That means it helps to improve our socialization. It also helps to avoid our unnecessary stress and anxiety, etc. These are the tips for cultivating physical fitness and wellness. Next, our subtopic is meaning of lifestyle. The name itself, we can be knowing the meaning. The simple definition of lifestyle is a way of living. Lifestyle is a way of living. Lifestyle is a way of a person lives to his or her life. It includes the patterns of social relation, consumption, entertainment and dress. Lifestyle is expressed in activities, attitudes, interests, opinions and values. It also reflects person's self-image or self-concept, the way they see themselves and believe that they are seen by other person. Some of the definitions of lifestyles are: lifestyle is a manner of living that reflects the person's values and attitudes. Lifestyle is a set of attitudes, habits or possessions associated with a particular person or group. These are the definitions of lifestyle. Next, our subtopic, importance of a healthy and positive lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle is absolutely vital for reducing the incidence and impact of problems, for recovery, for coping with life stresses, and for improving quality of life. A healthy or positive lifestyle is really very important for all of us in the following ways. First point is increases the longevity. That means a healthy lifestyle increases the longevity. That means it slows down the aging process and helps the older persons to stay strong and healthy. Healthy lifestyle also slows down the disease development and contributes to a longer life. Second point is increases the level of energy. A healthy lifestyle increases the level of energy. An individual with a healthy lifestyle feels more energetic, which means more productivity in day-to-day living. With the increased level of energy, we can accomplish more work in our life, which in turn provides a greater sense of satisfaction. Next, about helps in reducing depression. That means a healthy lifestyle helps in reducing the depression. A healthy lifestyle helps in accomplishing a healthy body, which in turn elevates hormone levels in the body that regulates the mood. This hormone helps in reducing depression. Fourth point is increases the level of physical fitness. A healthy lifestyle increases the level of physical fitness. That means physical fitness helps in better coordination of muscles and an increase in strength, flexibility, and endurance, etc. It makes life more smooth and efficient. Finally, the physical fitness helps in improving quality of life. Next, improves posture. Poor posture is a major cause of injury and often leads to huge problems in later part of our life. A healthy lifestyle improves the posture. A healthy lifestyle also improves the physical appearance. Next, increases self-confidence. A healthy lifestyle increases level of fitness of an individual. After getting fit, an individual tends to become more self-confident and self-aware. Seventh point is helps in coping with stress. A healthy lifestyle helps in coping with stress. Next, helps in preventing cardiovascular diseases. A healthy lifestyle helps in preventing cardiovascular diseases. It helps in reducing the extra body fat and strengthens the heart, resulting in more blood and oxygen flow throughout the body. Anyway, it will be concluded. A healthy lifestyle is very important for all of us because it reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, cancer, diabetes, hypertension and high cholesterol, etc. It makes us more energetic. It elevates the mood and makes oneself self-confident, which results in a better quality of life. This is all about importance of healthy or positive lifestyle. It may be asked in 5 marks questions. Anyway, read the text properly.